Recently we were in the Glasshouse Mountains up at the Noosa North Shore. Recently we travelled to the Noosa North Shore and did some filming with there. Come back. Recently we were in the Glasshouse Mountain and over to Noosa. We recently visited the Glasshouse Mountain in Noosa. Recently we were in the Glasshouse Mountains in the Noosa North. Recently we went over to the Glasshouse Mountains and then the Noosa North Shore to do some four-wheel driving with the Mark's four-wheel drive portal axles. So keep an eye out for some film we're going to let you see from that very shortly. But in the meantime, have a look at the GoPro footage you're about to see. One of these four-wheel drives doesn't have Mark's four-wheel drive portal adapters. See if you can tell me which one it is.